So if you're using Thunderbird for your emails, you want to go into your email program, and depending on what it looks like, if you don't have the file edit view at the top, you've got to press the Alt button on the keyboard, which will actually show you the file edit view and all those bits and pieces. And you want to go to Tools, and inside Tools you want to go down to Account Settings. Once you're in Account Settings, you want to click on this Outgoing SMTP, and you'll see there's just the one outgoing thing, which is at bigpond.com. I'm going to edit this, and from here I'm going to change that server name to smtp.telstra.com. I'm going to change this security here to SSL/TLS. Change this authentication method to normal password. Change this number here to 465 and put in the email address that you have. And when you try and send an email next time, it will ask you for the password for your email address. That's how to solve the problem inside of Thunderbird. If you're using Windows Live Mail, for people who are still doing it to this day, you've got to go into the File section and then go to Options, go to Email Accounts. From here, you want to click on your email account and go to Properties. From here, I want to click on the Server section, and I'm going to change this outgoing SMTP server, that one there, to smtp.telstra.com. I'm down the bottom here, it's got my outgoing server requires authentication. I'm going to tick in that box. Then I'm going to go off to the Advanced section, and it's got here outgoing mail SMTP number 25. But it's got here, this server requires a secure connection SSL. I'm going to tick that box and then make sure I change this number 25 to number 465. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on the OK button, click on the Close button, and your email should then work once again to send out. If you're using Outlook for your emails, I want to go into the Control panel. So to do that, I'm going to click on the Windows Start button and just type in Control. Windows will work out what I'm after, and there you can see Control Panel. I'm then going to go to Mail, 32-bit in this case. You might just have Mail there. And I'm going to go to Email Accounts up the top here. So there's the email account. I'm going to go to the Change just here. I'm going to change this outgoing mail server to smtp.telstra.com. Then click on More Settings. I'm going to go to the Outgoing Server section, where I'm going to say my outgoing server requires authentication. It's automatically said the same settings for the incoming server for that, which is good. Going to go to the Advanced section. I'm going to change this outgoing number here to 465 and change this encryption type to SSL. Click on the OK button. Click on the Next button and click on Finish. Close this and close everything else, and then when you go back into Outlook, email should be working once again.